Ankr coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about Ankr coin price update. Ankr coin is going positive in the market, and guys, I'm very happy to see these positive changes, guys, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Ankr coin will continue this pump. Guys, if we talk about the changes of Ankr coin, so 0.079261 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Ankr coin. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes update, so now positive 1.22% positive changes occur. Last 1 day change is about positive 2.52% changes, guys. So last 1 week change is also negative 8.8%, guys. The changes is going negative, but the latest situation of Ankr coin is 100% going positive. And I believe, guys, that for a long time Ankr coin will continue this jump. Now you can see, positive 2.52% positive changes, 0.080779 USD dollar. That is the highest price of Ankr coin. You can see the price of Ankr coin will highly pump. Anyways, guys, what is your opinion and how do you feel today about Ankr coin? Personally, guys, I'm very happy today and I want to celebrate Ankr coin jump. After a long time I found Ankr going positive. That's why I want to celebration, guys. So very congrats to all of you, guys. Hope you like this update video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos.